In this InDesign tutorial, let's take a look at how to relink images. Here's how you can relink images, whether your image link is broken or if you just want to change the image. We select the image or the frame that has the image in it, and then we can actually go find our links. Now, the easiest way to find it is either in the upper right or in the window drop down, and we can go to links. Now this will pull open the links panel, and it'll actually show you every single link and show you which ones are broken, etc. In this one, this link isn't broken, but I can still relink this in the same way. So I select this image that I want to relink, and I come down here to this little chain icon, which is relink, and I can click on it. And now we're going to basically relink, and it might ask you, depending on if you're a Mac or whatever, and you haven't done this, if you can access folders, and that's fine. So what we're going to do is go find the image that we want to relink it to. If you're trying to fix a broken link, you need to go find where that original image is and link it to that. If you're just trying to change the image, then go navigate to whatever image you want, and then all you have to do is select the image and then hit open. And that can either replace the image or heal the broken link if you selected the original image. What happens is sometimes folders are maybe in a cloud storage, and then you sync it and it's on some, it's like sync the file path is all wrong or something. Or you've moved the document on accident or on purpose and you need to relink things. That's how you can relink them here. But then also you can change images by relinking to a different image, just like that, just like we did here. So that's how you can relink in InDesign.